Comp is trading at 28.47 in terms of its USD rate, with a value change of 0.99% in the last hour. In a quiet way, Comp has a market cap of $217,936,933 and a 24-hour trading volume of $10,953,241, which makes it a specialty position at 1. What will be worth more in 2023 is likely to be a good investment or worth buying in 2023, or so they thought. Our compound cost expectations for Comp's future in a quite huge way. Compound value expectation for 2023 is for the compound estimate price and technical analysis. In 2023, the comp price is expected to cross a normal value level of 35.36. The normal value level of compound at the end of the current year is 34.24. Compound can generally reach a very highest value level. The price of compound in June 2023 could be anywhere between 27.8 cents and $34.70, which is a big range. The average exchange rate should be around 29.62, which is also a big range. Compound value figure for July 22nd to 23rd, 2023. For July 22nd to 23rd, 2023, the price of compounds is expected to settle at an average of $30.51. While the coin could trade for anywhere between 31 and 51 cents and 29 and 38 cents. Comp value estimate for August 2023. In August 2023, the price of compound should be at least $30.30, and the average exchange rate should be around $29.62. The price of compound can go as high as $32.87, and the average exchange rate is 31.42 cents. September 2023, the price of compound is guaranteed to be at least 31.27 in September 2023, which is very important. With an average exchange rate of $32.68. They sort of thought that the value of the compound interest could reach a maximum of $34.44 if the interest was compounded. The compound price for October 2023 could be as low as 32.25 cents and as high as 35.75 cents. The average price for comp is expected to be 33.66, which is a very important number. Comp value gauge November 2023. The price of oil is expected to be at least $33.54 in November 2023, which is very important. The compound value can go up to $37.10, and the average exchange rate is $34.67. This means that the average cost of comp is likely to reach 33.66 in October 2023, which is a really good estimate for December 2023. The compound estimate for December 2023 says that the comp may reach a high of 38.83 and a low of 34.24. This is what they thought when they were talking about how the average comp can be around $35.36 for December. In contrast to what most people think, the cryptocurrency's value has actually dropped by 0.91% in the last 24 hours. If we compare the market cap of the competitor today to the market cap of the competitor yesterday, we can see that the market cap in a real sense is also down in a big way. In the last 7 days, the competitor was in a good vertical trend and grew by 4.83, so this is compound growth. A very smart investment or very worth buying in 2023, which goes against what most people think. Compound has been showing signs of strength recently, and now is a great time to jump in and invest in a big way. In the last month, the price of comp fell by 38.887%, or an average of 18 and 11 cents from its current price. This sudden drop means that the coin is in a plunge right now, which means it could be a good time to buy. The 90-day price change is close to 44.37, and the price ranged from an average of $47.32 to an average of $52.26. 2023 Frequently Asked Questions: How much will compound interest be worth in 2023? The comp price is expected to reach a high of 38.83 by the end of 2023, with a lease cost of 34.24 cents. This shows that the compound value can reach a high of 37.10, with an average exchange rate of $34.67, and that the average comp price is expected to reach 33.66 in October 2023. As far as price goes, Compound has a great deal of potential to reach new highs, which is very important. It is expected that Compound's value will rise in a straightforward way. According to experts and business analysts, Compound can raise a ruckus at the highest price of 193.39 until 2030. This makes Compounds worth buying in 2023, and all things considered, Compounds are worth buying in 2023. May clearly come to a conclusion about the least worth of 32. A crypto expert who has closely watched thinks that Bitcoin, BTC, is ready for a parabolic rise. After Bitcoin, BTC, successfully retested $25,000 as support, a fake expert named Credible Crypto told his 341,900 Twitter followers that a bull market is likely starting. The trader thinks that Bitcoin is about to make huge moves in the high time frame because he thinks that bullish momentum will grow greatly in the coming months. Credible Crypto uses Bitcoin's bull market in 2020 as an example. During that time, Bitcoin had 6 months of huge gains. For example, on our last urge, which went from $10,000 to $60,000, the monthly candles after our major monthly retest at $10,000, which is the same as the one we just got here at $25,000, were bigger than any of the ones before and kept getting bigger until our peak. The first one went up $3,600, the next one went up almost $7,000, the one after that went up a huge $12,000, the one after that went up $15,000, and the one before our peak was a huge $25,000. So, we can assume that as the months go by, the lights will only get bigger. Credible Crypto believes that Bitcoin will hit a new all-time high, ATH, as soon as October. They think that Bitcoin is already in a bullish trend. This means that, once growth starts, which it looks like it has, we should easily see monthly moves of more than $10,000. The gap between present levels and the previous ATH is $40,000. Then, if this is a parabolic rise, this gap should be closed in a few monthly candles. July is the first month, August is the second, and September is the third. A good guess would be that this means there will be a new ATH by October. If you look at the trader's record, it looks like he thinks Bitcoin